So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add text to Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up Picsart. On here you can see some of the projects once you're logged in, and you can choose some picture that you want to add the text on. Once you choose a picture, you can see at the bottom tools, effects, retouch, sticker, cutout, remove, add photo, remove background, replay, fit, brushes, and many more. And you'll see the text. So you can see the letter T, which is in a square. Click on that. On here, you can see AI writer. So you can even put in some prompts for the AI to write you something. And you can enter your text through here, and then you can choose the check mark for it to be on there. So let's just type in some text. Once you've done, you can click on something. So you can see I've just added text, and I can see some of the options like styles, color, highlight, and bend. And you can see some popular, some recursive, modern, script. You can see the all options added on there, and you can even go to the plus sign to apply it or to set it up even more through that part of the page. So there's really a lot of stuff that you can add through these options on adding text in Picsart. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.